Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick easy way how to find leaks in a tire simply by using soapy water. So basically get you a spray bottle and fill it up with some water and put a heavy concentration of dish soap in it like Dawn or Palmolive, and it'll help you find leaks. Okay, so spray it on there and you'll see where an accumulation of bubbles will start. Sometimes it's a little harder, the smaller, slower leaks. That's why you want a really thick amount of soap in there to create a film. So once you find the leak, you can get a reamer tool. Sometimes I even use a drill, but you want to make the hole big enough to allow the plug to go in. So ream that hole out. Like I said, you can use a drill, and then here's the tool to insert the plug. And this is easier to do when there's a little bit of air in the tire. If the tire's flat, it's going to be a little harder to do. So then you can cut the plug. You can leave it off, but it's better to kind of cut it. Harder to find leaks when it's not cut. So you want to apply some more soapy water around the plug. Now this is what happens when they're hard to find. They'll look like that. You'll come back to a tire that looks dry, and it'll have an accumulation of bubbles like that. Looks like cotton or something on the trailer. This is a plug actually that is still leaking. I spray it here. It's kind of hard to find. It's really nasty. But there's a hole. There's a leak, I should say. Here's a leak. This tire has several leaks going on. And those weren't visible at first when spraying it. You come back, you can see other leaks. These are a lot slower leaks. These tires, at this point, these tires aren't worth plugging. Be easier just to replace it. He's got like 10 leaks in one tire, in each tire. See that really slow leak of bubbles there coming out? Not noticeable at first. Sometimes they're very noticeable. But anyway, I just wanted to make a video showing how easy it is to use soapy water to find leaks. You can do this with air hoses and fittings and everything. Just use some dish soap and some soapy water. Anyway, hope you liked the video, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.